What's up, guys? It's Chase. I promised a thumbnail video, so here it is. So the first thing you'll need to do is have your screenshots. What the heck? My screen is flipped. You want to have your screenshots, and sorry for that weird cut, guys. I had to lock my screen so it doesn't keep moving. But yeah, you want to have your screenshots. You just take those in game or after the game, like just get your screenshots. This app Pixelmator, it's not free. It's like $5.99, but yeah, I bought it, so yeah. So get your photos, just your screenshots. I have this photo of a dunk right here. This might look like the other one because I didn't take any other recent photos. And then I'm gonna take this photo of him shooting right here. Guy shooting. I'll just put that on the corner, and I'll put it diagonal because if you put it diagonal, then you can add one of those cool lines. So I'll just put it diagonal, just like that. So you have something like this. You want to press the plus button, the square button, and then you want to choose the line. I don't know what it's called. You know what I'm talking. It's a shape. Yes, a shape. Okay, you want to add the square shape, then add a stroke. They should already be on there, and this make it a little bit bigger. You can change the color of it, whatever color you want, green, blue, or anything, rainbow. It doesn't matter. I'm just gonna do mine to white because it pops. Then I'm gonna add a shadow. And you don't have to follow my settings that I just put on the shadow. I just prefer those settings. And you're pretty much almost finished. The only thing I like to do after this is add maybe like a text. And I like to put EP. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. I'll put 2 right there. Okay, and then I'll put this maybe in the corner up here maybe. Right there seems good. And then I'll make it white just so it pops more. It's pop. You need it to pop. Okay. And I'll add a shadow just to make it pop again, pretty much. And yeah, that's pretty much thumbnail. You can do whatever you want to it, but that's pretty much it. You can add a glow or anything you want, like a border. Actually, I might add a little effect. So I'm gonna press the paintbrush and select my photo. I'm gonna go to effects, and I'm going to add this just to make this side pop a little bit more. Make it look more intense. And I added vintage if no one saw because I moved super quick, but yeah, just vintage. And then I'm going to like undo that a little bit. And yeah. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. Then you just want to save it to your gallery, which I'm going to. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you make the thumbnails. Yeah, I'm out.